Okay, well, we are here today. We're cleaning the helicopter, and I'll show you how dirty it gets in the back here. Logan, come show the camera. Here is the exhaust, and then the exhaust comes to the back, and so here I've started cleaning it. So here's the difference from after flying about 2 weeks. This is what it looks like, and this stuff, it's very hard to take off. So I'm going to show you the cleaner that I use. And so this is the stuff that I'm using to clean. I found this at the Canadian Tire store, and it actually works really good. So what I do is just spray it onto my cloth, and I'm going to clean off this here. Just rub it on, and it comes right off. And I wash it off with water. I always make sure I get that strong soap all off of it. Well, look at the difference from the top blade to the bottom one. And here again, you can see I have to clean all this off yet. And me and Logan, we've cleaned this helicopter now a couple times, and it takes us about 4 hours to clean the whole thing. So some work goes in on cleaning the helicopter, and that's what we're doing today. Thanks for watching. Well, this is what a clean helicopter looks like. We got her nice and shiny. There you have it, 4 hours later.